Keyword Search AI is one of the most powerful tools for marketers, content creators, and SEO specialists. And in this Keyword Search AI review, we'll uncover 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released AI software. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how Keyword Search AI could be a game changer for your digital marketing strategy. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can try Keyword Search AI completely free from the first link in the description below, so you can experience its capabilities firsthand. Now, let's jump into what makes Keyword Search AI stand out in a crowded field of digital marketing tools. First, this software's real-time keyword research feature is incredibly robust. It taps into a massive database of search terms, helping you find high-performing keywords for SEO or PPC campaigns in just seconds. If you're serious about optimizing your website's visibility, this tool is indispensable for generating keyword ideas that will help you rank higher on Google. Another standout feature is the AI-driven keyword analysis. Unlike traditional tools, Keyword Search AI gives you a deeper understanding of keyword difficulty, search volume, and competitive data all in one. This means you can focus on keywords that not only drive traffic, but are also easier to rank for, saving you time and boosting your ROI. For anyone who needs to stay ahead of the competition, this tool's competitor research capabilities are invaluable. It allows you to quickly identify the keywords that your competitors are ranking for and adjust your strategy accordingly. Imagine being able to pinpoint exactly where your competitors are winning and then taking those insights to outperform them. The user interface is another area where Keyword Search AI excels. Even though it's packed with powerful features, the platform is surprisingly easy to navigate. Whether you're a seasoned SEO professional or a beginner, you'll find it intuitive and user-friendly. The clean design and logical layout help you focus on what matters, getting results. Let's not forget its integration options. Keyword Search AI plays well with other marketing tools, so you can easily incorporate it into your existing workflow. Whether you're using tools like Google Analytics or SEMrush, you can pull in data from these sources, enhancing your keyword strategy with real-time insights from your other platforms. One feature I really appreciate is the long-tail keyword generator. It takes the keywords you're targeting and expands on them, providing you with related search terms that might have less competition but can still drive significant traffic. This helps you capture niche markets and rank for highly targeted search queries. But here's the kicker. Keyword Search AI isn't just about finding keywords. It helps you take action with its reporting tools. It offers in-depth analytics to track the performance of your keywords, showing you exactly what's working and where you need to make adjustments. This data is essential for refining your campaigns and driving even more traffic to your site. So, now that you know the basics of Keyword Search AI, I'll let you in on something even more exciting. If you're interested in AI tools, I've tested thousands of them, and I've linked my top recommendations in the description below. These are the same tools I use to grow my online presence and increase my marketing efficiency. Feel free to explore them and see what works best for your needs. To sum it up, Keyword Search AI is a game changer for anyone serious about digital marketing. With its real-time data, powerful analytics, and easy-to-use interface, it's one of the best AI tools out there for keyword research and optimization. Don't forget to check out the free trial using the link below and give it a spin for yourself.